Scientists make a robotic fingerprint, and brain nets may hold the key to memory. This is Science Wrap. Hi, and welcome back to Science Wrap, the show where we feed you the tastiest new research from the world of science, all wrapped up in an easy-to-digest package. My name's Miriam, PhD and science lover. Last week at the annual meeting of the Society of Neuroscience, researchers provided new evidence that long-term memories may actually be stored in brain nets. Perineuronal nets, or PNNs as they're known, are basically the scaffolding that surround our brain cells, called neurons. These nets are made of linked proteins and sugars. The reason scientists think these nets hold the key to our long-term memory is because of how stable they are. Most of the proteins inside neurons gets replaced every couple of days, so it's unlikely that they could code for anything long-term. On the other hand, PNNs inside a mouse brain can last at least 180 days, which is pretty much the entire lifetime of the mouse. Scientists have also shown that whenever new connections are made between neurons, the tightly knit lattice of the perineuronal nets loosens to accommodate these connections. It's the structural support that the nets provide that scientists think help memories endure. The final piece of evidence presented shows that destroying PNNs can actually erase long-term drug-associated memories. So PNNs, memories, no PNNs, no memories. The next step in understanding the role of perineuronal nets is to create rodents with fluorescent PNNs, so scientists can observe how the nets change as the animal ages. In other news, engineers have created a new, highly sensitive artificial fingerprint that may help robots feel the world around them. When your fingers rub against a surface, tiny pressure and vibration sensors within your fingers are activated. These sensors relay the information to the brain, where it's then translated into our amazingly fine sense of touch. The robotic version of this is a highly elastic, permanent, magnetic, nanocomposite artificial cilia embedded in a magnetic sensing element. Phew! Basically, a clustering of small, hair-like strands of iron embedded in a magnetic sensor. The sensor can detect small changes in the magnetic field of the iron strands and translate these into an electrical signal that can be read by a computer. The iron strands basically act as those pressure or vibration sensors in our finger. The electrical signal is like the signals passing through our bodies, and the computer is basically our brain. This technology is pretty darn cool. It can feel something as light as a fly landing on you and even detect changes in the flow of water. The hope here is this kind of technology can be used in robots to help them better interact with the world around them. And perhaps more importantly, it could help people with prosthetics feel again. Last bit of news I have for you is sort of unrelated, but Science Wrap now has its very own Facebook page, and there's even some special content on there just for my Facebook followers. So if you want to go check that out, the information is in the down bar. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you doing with your life? I would love to get to 30 subscribers by the end of the year, so please click that button. As always, all the links to the articles as well as some bonus content is available in the down bar. That's a wrap on some of the science news for this week. Thanks very much for watching.